You just see it. He
You
did.
know, we talked about cultivating it, but we didn't really talk about the use of it.
The use, okay. So this is oat, and there's some grass and stuff, and this is like a multi-purpose. This is a cover crop and a crop. And we just started harvesting it Friday. And I don't know, we'll pretty much harvest all of this. This is about like a year's supply for us of the milky oat. And so if you grab this here, this is it here. If you grab just like one of these off the top and then squeeze it, you'll see this white goop come out. That's the milk, okay? That's when it's ready. So these are the flowers of the oat plant. The oat is a grass, and this is the flowers. So after they kind of flower and they're pollinated, they start to make the seed. And so the seed goes on to mature, and that becomes oats, like we eat for oatmeal, okay? But before the seed is mature, it's immature and it's mostly all fleshy. And that's what this white goop is. It's like egg yolk of the oat plant, okay? So you want to harvest it while it's milky. That's why we call it milky oats. And people like to chew them. It's like bubble gum. These little tips are kind of sharp, but when you chew one, just get the milky out. You can taste it. It's kind of good for you. Well, it's real good for you, but it kind of tastes good. So, and it's cooling. A lot of these nervous system plants, skullcap, celery, oats, they're cooling. It tastes cool. It feels cool. I mean, just like feel them. They're cold. And it's not cold out here. But why are they so cold? You know, they're cooling. Just the way they're designed. Everything about them. So we harvest these. You just kind of come through and you just pull them off like this. We have bags, and then you just got them and you put them in your bags, and you just, by next week, we'll just like go down all this, harvest all these, dry them. And we make these into extract, and these are also good dried in tea. And so oats, there's two commonly used products out of oats. There's milky oats and there's oat straw. It's not the same thing. Milky oats is this. Oat straw is the leaf of the same thing. Here's the whole plant. So all of this stem and the leaf is oat straw. Because see, if you look inside of it, it's hollow. So you can cut them and make straws too if you want to have like cool little herbal drinks. You can have little oat straws. That's always cool. So different parts of the plant, different uses. Typically people harvest oat straw at the same time. Like we'll harvest what we need of milky oats, and then we'll go back through and we'll come and harvest the plants, the rest of it, and get the milky top with the straw for the whole deal. The straw and the leaf is mostly a nutritive. You just use it for vitamins, rich in minerals, vitamins. And that's kind of the main deal with that. The milky flower, though, that's used as a nervine. It's really good as an anti-addiction herb. So people combine it a lot with like lobelia for people getting off of tobacco, or even with skullcap or other calming herbs to get off of alcohol or any kind of addiction at all. It's a really good anti-addiction herb, the milky oats. And it's a nice cooling nervine, good in any nerve formula. It's good in connective tissue formulas. It's mildly hydrating. And it tastes really good in tea. And this is really easy to grow. You can just go to the farm store and get a handful of oat seed and throw it out. You throw it out in like October on some bare soil and like rake it in and wait till now, and here you go. And if you mow all this down, it's a lot of biomass, so it's really good for the soil. There's bugs and worms and stuff in here. So it's there's like you can get 3 or 4 different things out of it. Milky oat is Avena sativa. Avena sativa means cultivated. Sativa. This is the cultivated oat. And this is cayuse oat. This is seed from Pacific. This is the exact same stuff they have there.
So the milky stuff is just proteins and...
You know, there's actually some alkaloids in the milky part. There's
really?
proteins, there's alkaloids. I'm I'm not sure what else actually. We extracted in about a 50% ethanol. The constituents of the milk maybe could be an area of interest for someone who wanted to get into it.